Good afternoon, Standard 9. In the previous videos, I was discussing about the simultaneous linear equation in two variable. In this chapter, the two different methods I'm already explained and the problems based on the method that is also discussed. It means the first method elimination by equating the coefficient of x or y. Second one substitution by eliminating x or y. Now today we'll see the third method, that is cross multiplication method. So in cross multiplication method, when we are solving the problems in the cross multiplication method, your equation, it should be written in this form. It means generalized form of linear equation in two variable. It means ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is the generalized term. And if you are solving the equation, simultaneous linear equation by cross multiplication method, try to write the equation in this form first. Now suppose the two simultaneous equations are like that. The first equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, a1 b1 c1, the coefficient we have supposed as a1 b1 c1, and the second equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, a2, it means a2 b2 c2 is equal to 0. In case of cross multiplication method, the two variables are there, x, this x, y, and c, that means constant, and the least value of constant we are supposing here 1. This one, sometimes we are writing -1 also. If this c is written in the RHS side, in that case we have to write here the -1, and if c is written in the LHS side, we will write here 1 only. So below the x, y and 1. For x, so the coefficients are a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. When we are see this line, this is the formula of cross multiplication method. This formula is derived by solving these two equations, either by elimination method or substitution method. If these two equations, if you have solved either by elimination by equating the coefficient of x or y, and by using the substitution method, you will get this relation. So x is equal to y is equal to 1, and what we have to write be in the denominator of x, and what we have to write in the denominator of y, and what we have to write in the denominator of 1. See, in case of x, because the coefficient of x is a, so we will not write a. See here, I am circled it and crossed it. So we have to cross multiply them, b1 c2 and b2 c1. In case of y, the coefficient of y is b. So what is left? If b is left, now see here, if a is left, bc is left. If a is left, the remaining part is b and c. If b is left, the remaining part is c and a. So the order, it should be c and a. So c1 c2 and a1 a2, and cross multiply them, c1 a2 and c2 a1. And in case of constant term, c will be left and the remaining term is ab. So a1 b2 and a2 b1. Now for deriving the formula, take this, equate this with this, and now cross multiply them, x multiplied by this term and this multiplied by 1, this. So x is equal to this term, this whole term divided by this. It means x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. That is the formula for x, you can see here. So you can suppose what, if you are writing the formula for x, whatever in the denominator, that comes in the numerator, and whatever denominator in the one, that comes in the denominator. Similarly, in case of y, if you are writing the formula for y, whatever denominator term in y, that comes in the numerator, and whatever denominator in the constant with 1, that comes in the denominator also. Now see here, see, and for remembering this, you have to remember these two formula. So it is the general form, and try to keep in mind this circle. So the general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. For writing the formula of x, leave the a, write b and c, bc, bc. And for y, if b is there, leave the b, c and a is there, ca, ca. So one time we are leaving a, one time we are leaving b, one time we have to leave the c. What is left? ab. So ab, 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 ab. And we have to put the numbering like that: 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. So these are the two formulas we have to apply for solving the question. Now suppose solve using the cross multiplication method from 6c. The equation is this. So try to write in that form: 4x plus 3y plus 17, taking this side minus 17, 3x minus 4y plus 6. a1 is 4, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 17. a2 is 3, b2 is minus 4 and c2 is 6. Now see there. Now apply the formula for x: b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So b1 c2, b1 3 and c2 6, 3 into 6 minus b2 c1 minus 4 into minus 17, minus 4 into minus 17, a1 b2 4 into minus 4, 4 into minus 4, a2 b1 3 into 3, 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16 and minus sign. 6 3s are 18, minus sign. 17 4s are 68 and minus minus plus, and that plus minus minus. So minus 16 and minus 9, minus 25, and minus 68 plus 18, minus 50. This minus minus cancel. 52, 25 2s are 50. This is the value of x. Now for y: c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now see. So c1, so you have to write the value of c1. The value of c1 is minus 17 and the value of a2 is 3. Minus c2 is 6 and a1 is 4. a1 is 4 and b2 is minus 4. a2 is 3 and b1 is 3 also. Now simplify it. 17 3s are 51, minus sign. Minus 6 4s are 24. 4 4s are minus 16. 3 3s are 9. Minus 16 and minus 9, minus 25. Minus 51 and minus 24, minus 75. These two minuses cancel and 25 3s are 75. Hence y is equal to 3. Now see one more problem. Solve using cross multiplication. This is the equation. So 3x plus 4y plus 11, taking this side minus 11. 2x plus 3y plus 8, taking this side minus 8. a1 is 3, b1 is 4 and c1 is minus 11. a2 is 2, b2 is 3 and c2 is minus 8. This is the formula for x: b1 c2 minus b2 c1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1, b1 c2, 4 into minus 8, 3 into minus 11, 3 into 3 this, and 2 into 4, 2 into 4. So 3 3s are 9 and 2 4s are 8. 4 8s are minus 32. This minus minus plus, 11 3s are 33. So 33 plus 33 are minus 32. Plus 1, 9 minus 8, 1. And 1 divided by 1, that is 1. For y, write the formula for first. Now see the terms or see the formula of denominator for x and y. Since the denominators are same, for the same question, the denominator, whatever denominator comes in the x, that will comes in the y also. So because 9 minus 8, it is 1 here, so I am directly written 1. So c1 a2, c1 minus 11 and a2 2, minus 11 into 2. c2 a1, c2 a1 minus 8 into 3, minus 8 into 3. 11 2s are 22, minus sign, and this minus minus plus, 8 3s are 24, and 24 minus 22, 2 by 1. Hence y is equal to 2. Hence x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. This will be the answer. So in next videos I will solve some more questions based on cross multiplication method. So before solving the exercise, first try to learn the formula. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.